Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do unboxing video. This is a bobbin winder that I got because 3 days ago the bobbin winder that comes with a built-in in my sewing machine stopped working, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna take forever if you winded it by hand. So this is what I got. I went to Walmart and luckily I got one. There were only 2 left in there since they don't have that much of a stock. So here you go. I will show it to you. What does it look like? It's very small. And there it is. This is the cord. It's very simple. It's only a cord and a little box. There you go. I like it though because the cord is long, so you can use it far away from whatever table you're working. There you go. This is very cute. It's like a toy for kids. It's very small, and this is how you open it. It is easy, and here you go. This is the inside. This is what the inside look like. So let's go try it. This is very small and looks like it's very simple, but when it's the first time you're using it, it still needs to try it. Needs to try everything until you figure out how to use it. Here's the plug-in at the back side. This is funny, do the plug-in in the back side and then you, oh yeah, it just look like that. So plug it in. Okay, so let's try it, see if it works. I don't think this is right. Yeah, no, it is not right. So just put it over there. You put it on, and that's the one that's turning. So there you go, it works. Oh, it won't stop. It won't stop, so you have to move the little, that one, the little moving parts next to the bobbin stopper. Okay, it's a bobbin stopper. Then when you're done, just like that. So maybe if it's complicated, but the way to stop it is just move that bobbin, move away the bobbin stopper. It hold that halfway there, but I think we can make it fuller. We'll try it again. We'll try another bobbin. So first time I forgot to put this on, so I'll put that on. Maybe that will help to make it fuller. Alright, this is the second test. This is the second testing. See if it works. Oops. No. Looks like it's not balanced. Let's see if it will be balanced. Alright. There you go. Nope, it is not balanced. I think you have to just touch the thread. We're gonna test one more test, guys.
That one is not very balanced.
But we still can use that even if it's not balanced. It's better than nothing. It's better than winding by your hand. It'll take forever. So this one, we'll try it again. What I do is just I put the big, I have this big cone thread, so I just put it in the bottom of the table, and then I just go over here. So that it's easy. This one looks like it's balanced really good, so I don't know what I did in the second time. It was not balanced. The first time was balanced, but was not full. The second time was full, but it was not balanced. This one is full and it's balanced. It's very good, really good, well balanced. So this is the cone that I use. I just put it on the table. So it works good, guys. I think it's just depend how you put it on. So
You don't have access to.
and this one have a battery. If you don't have any access to electricity, then you can put a battery in it. Well, I don't need a battery for now, so just for when you go somewhere. Then you don't have a then you don't have a sewing machine. So I don't know why they do this, but maybe it's easier to use it when you're far away from the plug-in. Maybe that's why they do it. So it's pretty cool. So I'm glad I bought it. I bought it at Walmart.
Yeah.
It's a little bit expensive, but it's $26. But there's no choices there. This is the only one they have, and I was lucky because there were only 2 of them, and I got the one. So I guess I got a good one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try put this in here. See if I can store it this way, but it is not fixed. So store it separately then. Just label the cord because we got a lot of cord at home. So there it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more video. Share, like, and comment below if you have any questions. So thank you for watching again, and you have a wonderful day. See you next time. You take care. Bye.